Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a simple for loop. So in this demonstration I'm just going to be creating a simple for loop. So once you understand it, you can enhance it, or you can add more functionality to it and do lots of other things. So let's get started. So in here I have a PowerShell script. So in order to create a for loop, the first thing we need is to type in the for keyword, and inside the brackets we are saying num for number, and we are saying that num is equal to 1, and then we are saying that what this num1 does is that it sets the variable number to 1. So it creates a variable called num and it sets the value of 1 to it. So next what we do is we are saying that num run this until num is less than or equal to, let's say, 5. So what this line does is that num is currently equal to 0, and run it until num is equal to or less than 5. The next what you are saying is that num plus plus. So what it does is that it adds 1 to num every time this for loop runs. So the first time num is equal to 1, the second time it's equal to 2, the third time it's equal to 3. It will go on until num becomes 5. So once it reaches 5, it can't go to 6, because in here the condition says it's less than or equal to 5. So let's create a block, and in here let's type in something like inside brackets, this is line number, and then type in num. So let's save it. So what it does is that it prints every time this for loop runs, it types this line. This is line number, and it shows the value of num at that time. So the first time that it runs, it will show 1, the second time 2, third time 3, and so on, so forth. So let's run this for loop. So in here you can see that the first time that the for loop runs, it says that the number, this is line number 1, this is line number 2, this is line number 3, 4, 5. So this is how the simple for loop works. Now in other, so why would you need it? Sometimes you might need a created this to read a specific lines from a file or some. So there are lots of for loops can be used in a lot of cases when you're creating scripts. This is just for this demonstration. I've just created a simple one so that you understand how it works. In other tutorials I will be creating more complex for loops for other functionality, such as reading files, etc. So this is it for this tutorials, guys. If you have any questions, any suggestions, recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one.